In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView like a pro in 2025. If you're new to TradingView or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential features that will help you make the most out of this powerful trading platform. Let's dive right in. To start, open your browser and navigate to TradingView's website. Upon arrival, you're greeted with a user-friendly interface showcasing a wide array of products. You'll see options such as markets, charts, and interactive tools. It's a comprehensive hub tailored for traders and analysts alike. Next, let's explore the community section of the platform. This area is a treasure trove of insights featuring ideas, scripts, and strategies shared by fellow traders. Engage and learn from the vibrant community where users share their analyses and trading tactics. Moving on to the market section, TradingView offers real-time data across various markets. Whether you're interested in stocks, funds, futures, forex, or cryptocurrencies, this section grants you quick access to the latest market trends and data. Now, to make your trading screen more personalized, click on the plus sign to add a symbol to your watch list. This feature provides a wide selection encompassing stocks, futures, forex, and much more, virtually every instrument you might be interested in trading. For this demonstration, we'll select Forex. It's highly popular among traders for its liquidity and volatility. By clicking the plus sign, you can then add the USD-JPY pair to your growing list of tracked symbols. Once you have your pair selected, click on it to pull up the full chart. This view is one of TradingView's strong suits, offering a wealth of information at a glance. Besides monitoring price movements, you can add various indicators, which are invaluable for technical analysis. These indicators help highlight underlying patterns and trends, aiding in more informed trading decisions. Another powerful feature is the replay option. This allows you to review past market conditions. By replaying historical data, you can practice and refine your trading strategies without any risk. Finally, for those who love to draw on charts, you can add lines, Fibonacci retracements, and many other tools to sketch out your analytical ideas directly onto the chart. This feature is highly useful for visual thinkers who plan their trades through patterns and levels. And there you have it. A quick but comprehensive look at using TradingView like a seasoned trader. With these tools at your disposal, you're well equipped to analyze, strategize, and execute your trades with confidence. I hope you find this guide helpful as you navigate and explore the possibilities TradingView has to offer. Happy trading, and remember to always trade responsibly.